Hello friends, welcome to Study Hard. Today I am going to share a memory based question of BARC exam 2026. So I have collected about 20 questions so you can get idea the level of question paper. This time question paper was bit easy as compared to last year, so the cutoff will vary accordingly. So let's start without wasting any time. Basically I have collected 20 questions on the day after exam, so you will get idea. You can see the first question is about the inverter of a power electronics. So this question is basically directly on the formula that have asked the phase RMS voltage in 180-degree inverter. And the second question you will see that is the buck boost converter, not a buck converter. This is the buck boost converter, and here they have asked the inductor average current. You know, in buck boost converter, their inductor current will be the source current plus this I naught current. So basically the option given are 1.25, 2.25. So this will be the answer will be 3.75. This question is directly asked from the PYQ. This year I have seen that many questions, about 3 to 4 questions were directly from the ESE PYQ. So the question level I can say that it will be bit above ESE level, and for gate level it is not for gate level, easy than the gate level. And the third question that is about on the topic DC machine. Basically they have asked the DC shunt machine connected speed of generator given, and asked the speed of motor and power output and power input of motor given. So this is a basically good question. If you have practiced a lot, then you can do it in a very less time. And the fourth question is that is about the if in fourth question an induction motor and alternator are cascaded, and they have asked the speed of induction motor. So in this question basically you have to find the frequency of alternator by using the data given, so you can find it easily. But at that moment, if your mind click how to solve it, then you can solve, because in the bar question basically it is about the selection of question. It is not about how much knowledge you know. Your knowledge will be seen in the interview, but in the question paper in CBT you have to show how is your speed and how you select your question, because some questions are lengthy, some questions are very easy. So don't be wasting any time in a particular question, just move forward. Come to the next question. Fifth question is about the stable point in induction motor. So this question is also from the PYQ, directly from PYQ. You can see in ESE they have given such type of question. If you have practice, you can do in a very less time. In this question answer will be the P and R point, because you know their load torque. This is load torque given, and the motor generating torque are curve given. You can compare with the speed, so you can do it. And in sixth question they have asked the from no load to full load slip of in no load, from no load to full load, what will be the slip of induction motor and power factor. This is also from the previous year question. So you know at the no load speed is near to ns, so the slip will be very less. So on increasing load slip will be increases, and in induction motor at no load power factor is very poor. जैसे जैसे हमारा लोड इंक्रीज होगा वैसे वैसे हमारा पावर फैक्टर भी इम्प्रूव होता जाएगा. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द PYQ. And in the seventh question they have asked the efficiency of transmission line. So they have given the ABCD parameter. Basically you have to calculate the efficiency. This is also directly formula based question, but a little bit calculation, so you can do accordingly. And in eighth question H parameter matrix they have asked, and the circuit given like this. If you have practiced a lot about such question, then you can do it in a very less time. But if you are new about such question, then it will take time. So if you can't do, leave it immediately. Don't waste any time about a particular question. So in ninth question it is asked MP is high for peak overshoot. Basically they have given a transfer function, and you can relate it with the zeta. so you can do it accordingly. It is also directly ESC question. In question number 10th, value of K, block diagram given. Yeah, this is the control system question. Such type of question you have practiced. If you have completed your ESC PYQ, then you can do it easily. Value of K asks and the block diagram of given. You can basically make a transfer function, and you have to find omega and natural frequency, and then zeta, compare to it and find the value of K. And in question number 11, it is from the fault section of power system. So they have asked the zero sequence fault current. Yeah, this is not a fault current. You can see, you have to read the question very carefully. They have asked the zero sequence fault current, means in fault current you will multiply your, in LG fault basically they have given the LG fault, and x1, x0, x2, all the xn also given. So basically this is LG fault. In LG fault, you know, the fault current will be the 3 times of sequence fault current, but here it is asked the zero sequence fault current. Then you don't need to multiply with 3, and only you put the value, that is 1 upon x1 plus x2 plus x0, 3 times of xn, you will get your answer. And from digital, in digital there is about only 2 to 3 question. 2 question are from the block logic gate solve, and 1 question are you have to solve the Boolean expression. That is very easy, you can do it, yeah, accordingly, very easy. For 13th question, you can see this is also from the previous year question. They have asked the VTH and RTH, Thevenin voltage and Thevenin current, and they have given the graph. You can see the graph given like this, and come to next question. It is about the 3-phase fault level. Yeah, 3-phase fault level. They have given the fault impedance in per unit. You know the relation between them, 1 upon XPU, and then multiply with the rating, you will get the fault level. And from math section, they have asked about the, I think 3 to 4 question. 1 question from the matrix, and 2 to 3 question from the differential equation. There is no question from probability and the complex number and calculus integral. There was no question, only from the matrix and the differential equation, and the question are also very basic. From the matrix, it is the that matrix A and matrix B given, what will be the resultant matrix of 3A plus 4B, something like that. So it is very easy, you can do it, but you have to practice because you have to do in time. yeah, you can see that I have given that. And yeah, this is also maths question number 16, 17, 18, also maths question. This is totally on the differential equation. Directly you will put value, you will get answer. And in question number 19, you can see this is the question about the star delta connection, equivalent star equivalent delta. What will be the every let's see the question, every element multiply by 10 in a yeah, multiple factor of B will be, yeah, in the 19th question a star connection is given and the value of resistor is given, and what will be the equivalent in delta factor if all the resistor of star is multiplied by 10. So basically the answer will be 10. You can see the question, and some, I think about 1 or 2 questions are from the microprocessor. So if you know, then you can do it, otherwise no need to do. You have to leave such type of question, they are only traps. So if you want any cutoff about BARC 2026, comment down in comment section. I will make a video on cutoff, because I have seen on YouTube about only few videos are about cutoff and they are giving inaccurate cutoff. There is no sense because they don't have given paper. I don't think how they make such type of cutoff, because they are predicting about 105, 105, 100 plus cutoff. This is not, I don't think very less cutoff are going to be. I think it will be about 130 plus minus 5. So if you want exact cutoff video, then I will make it. So You can see the question level, and this time I think the question was not very hard, so cutoff will be little bit high. And if you want BARC preparation tips, how to perform in BARC exam, because this is very important. How much knowledge you know, this is good, but how to perform in exam hall, this is also very important factor. You have to consider it, don't ignore it. Sometimes only a few marks, you will get rejected by a few marks, then it hurts the most. So thank you guys, like my video and comment down. I have made this video in very rapid mode because I was very busy this time. So thank you.